Ergosift office chair MUN demonstration video.
Seat height, adjust 3.9, 3-inch. To raise it, lift slightly and turn the handle up. To lower it, stay seated and do the same. Armrest height, adjust 3.1, 5-inch. Arm pad moves forward and back 1.18-inch. Width adjusts 0.9, 8-inch. Lumbar height adjusts 2.9, 5-inch. Seat depth 3.1, 5-inch. Headrest height 3.9, 3-inch. Pull the handle to lock or unlock the backrest. If it doesn't release, lean back slightly after pulling. To adjust tilt tension, turn the knob clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. If it stops turning, it's at the limit. Thank you for watching the Lotto Series demo video.